In early 60s, I used to go there from my old residence and go there about, I think, 3 hours, 4 hours by walk. And one time my mother also joined. Even, you see, later is some problem with her, this hand or this hand, something. Oh. But even then, was always doing something. Very active. As a farmer, I think very active. After I reached India, I really felt I liberated from pretended survey, pretension. Since my childhood, I want to be just ordinary human being like that.